how to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Alright, so let's begin. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Ubisoft, I suggest you click on the create an account option. And from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now I need you to do the same thing on Steam. Log in using your credentials. And if this is your first time here, click on the create an account option and from there you're good to go. Now for example, you have purchased a Ubisoft game on Steam and that requires activation through the Ubisoft Connect. You might need to locate your activation code because when launching a Ubisoft game purchased on Steam for the first time, you may need to link your Steam account with your Ubisoft Connect account. And obviously, this activation code helps facilitate this linking process because some Ubisoft games on Steam require activation through the Ubisoft Connects to access certain online features like DLC or multiplayer modes. The activation code is used to verify your ownership on the game in the Unity Ubisoft's platform. But how do we do it? It's easy really. All you have to do is to go to your library and select the game that you wanted to use the activation code. Basically, all they have to do is right click on the game and then click on manage. And you would be able to see an option that says activate with Ubisoft. If you click on the manage option on your game within the Steam platform, and then the next step is from here, you should see something similar like this. And of course, you need to copy that activation code. And once you have copied that, we need to head over to our Ubisoft account. Now once you are here on your Ubisoft account, I need you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on your profile icon. Here you need to click on the key activation and paste the copied activation code you had on Steam earlier. And after that, all you have to do is click on the activate and you're good to go. But the thing is, if it's not working and you tried your best and nothing's happening, you might want to click on the Ubisoft support because from here, they would be able to help you out in activating a key in Ubisoft Connect on your Steam. So that's basically how you can find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.